VIP clients who flock to him for his exclusive treatments and formulas.
Now, in a remarkable advance,
Take
Dr.
3.
Sabag has infused the powerful melon
Hi!
extract with the
Hi
hardest
everyone!
treatments into
I am
an
Mia
anti-age,
Lagat. I'm 19 years old from Baguio
Ever since I
City.
first started using
Just...
City Coffee, my skin feels firm,
Oh, well.
lines are less visible.
Ito nga lang po
See yourself
message
like
ko
that for
kay
your skin.
Jerry.
And now you can.
Hello
because
Jerry!
Cindy has made it
Kamusta
so
ka na?
easy.
I
Only
think you're
$119,
okay.
but order
You're
now
finally
for just
okay.
$39.95. Plus,
Hindi.
for a limited time,
True.
shipping is free.
My skin
Alam
is much
ko,
tighter.
si Jerry, patawa yan. Kala niyo tahimik
That
yan.
makes our skin look younger.
Just lang. Just lang niya yan. Just lang niya yan. Pero, kung magsalita, straight to the point. Masaya kasama yan.
I feel younger and
Promise.
younger.
Baka na pala to ng ni Mother Dear tsaka ni Carmen. Yeah. Ayan, effort, di ba? Hi guys, hi sa mga bisita.
Hey, I'm almost 50 years old. I don't
Okay.
expect to look
O nga
like
pala. Ito, galing Alaska. Alaska yan. Hindi nyo na makita. Hindi malamig, it's free. Ayun, so, message ko for Jadis. I know you. Galingan mo lang ng mongga-mongga. And I think I heard Officer ka ng CYF, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Keep it up. Pag lahat i-offer mo kay Lord, magiging perfect na. Galingan sa pag-aaral, sa career. Pag pinarir mo yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Ayun lang, always pray, don't forget. And lagi kaming andito, mga ate Mings, saka, ayun, parents mo. Okay, so, see you soon. See you soon, mamaya-maya, andyan na ako. I love you very much. Bye, guys. I love you. Bye.